Hello guys, today I brought to you our first beginner combo. This is a combination between the basic twirl and the basic opening. So let's start. Before learning this combo you have to fully dominate the basic twirl and the basic opening. So the first step is to do the basic openings double roll. Okay, then the second step is to put your index finger where you will put it on a basic twirl and bring the knife on top your index finger. Next you rotate your index finger and your thumb for the knife to fall down like this. Then you'll bring the knife up and hit your thumb, then bring the knife down. Counterclockwise like this, and then finally you'll spin the knife clockwise and bring it up.